go inside 48.
48.
Before, it was more so about them getting the cars into paint. But now, you know, we have reprioritized everything where the tear down is the most important part, and then the trim, and the bodies actually last. It did get scary probably about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, because the back lot, it's almost empty. It looks crazy compared to at least what it used to. There's still work here, but it's because it's moving so much faster. Pretty smooth after that. I think a lot of it, once they started getting a few paychecks rolling in, they started to actually see that it worked for them as well, not just us, you know. It wasn't about us, it's about the big picture. It's about, you know, the shop and the company and everything.
It was awesome. So
Thank you.
we're going.
Thank you, ProCare.